कि मैं आज लेके आई हूँ आप लोगों को कोलकाता का एक 5 स्टार होटल। ये है हयात रीजेंसी कोलकाता और मैं यहाँ चेक इन करने वाली हूँ। दिस इज़ अ माई गो टू प्लेस। मैं जब भी काम के लिए आती हूँ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई स्टे इन दिस होटल, सो दिस होटल इज़ वेरी फेमिलियर टू मी। तो आज मैं आप लोगों को इस होटल का द बेस्ट कैटेगरीज ऑफ रूम्स दिखाऊंगी, जो भी कैटेगरीज है फ्रॉम द बेस कैटेगरी टू दी स्वीट्स एंड ऑल। सो 3 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ रूम्स दिखाने वाली हूँ। लेकिन आप लोग मेरे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग भी देखिएगा, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में मैं आप लोगों को पूरा होटल का टूर कराऊंगी। सो वो टूर आप लोग देखिएगा मेरे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। तो चलिए अभी ये मेरा रूम है जहाँ पे मैंने चेक इन किया है, एंड रूम नंबर 513। ये एक बहुत ही कोजी सा रूम है और मैं आप लोगों को पहले इस रूम की एमिनिटीज़ दिखाऊंगी और इसमें क्या क्या है दिखाती हूँ। चलिए।
The mineral water bottles are there. Then there is a electric kettle with ये sachets है जो कि coffee, tea and these are sugar and all. And then there are cups are there, glasses are there. Apart from that there is a small mini bar which is vacant now. अभी कुछ नहीं है, maybe कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स अभी भी चल रहा है बहुत होटल का, सो इसीलिए नहीं रखते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर ग्लासेस आउट हियर एंड दीज आर सम स्पेस टू कीप योर थिंग्स. इसके अलावा देयर इज़ अ नाइस दिस इज़ अ स्टडी टेबल वेयर यू कैन सिट एंड वर्क. सो मैं भी अपने काम के लिए दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द डेस्क विच आई ऑलवेज यूज जब भी मैं काम के लिए आती हूँ, तो दिस इज़ समथिंग वेरी हेल्पफुल. इसके अलावा देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल chair where you can sit and relax and आराम से टीवी देख सकते हैं. there is a TV out there and
दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रॉम द रूम. ये मेरे खिड़की से दिखाई दे रहा है ये व्यू. ये स्विमिंग पूल का व्यू है एंड इट्स रियली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
I'll show you the washroom. So basically this is the washroom. It's quite spacious compared to other hotels, and I really like this glass wala basin set. It's nice. It has say hair dryer हो गया, towels है available out here, सारे towels रखे हैं. There are other amenities out here जो कि मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती थी. These are the body wash, conditioner है, shampoo है, as I says, and there is a nice bathtub out here. Then there's a different separate space for the toilet. If you see, there's a big rain shower out there, and then hand showers भी है. So this is all about the washroom. Abhi there is a space for the there's a locker out here to keep your safe कुछ भी सामान ना, अगर आपको कोई वैल्यूबल सामान है रखने के लिए. And there is the space to keep your luggage, and then the other amenities like there are slippers, then shoe polish, and then laundry bags and all are also there with iron. So एक आयरन भी अवेलेबल है. ये तो मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कहीं पे भी आती हूँ. when there is a meeting or you have to go out somewhere, last moment dress pressing is बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है. So this is something I really love about 5-star hotels. And then I will show you one thing. They also keep a torch, so safety के लिए कभी भी अंधेरा हो जाए कुछ भी हो जाए, they have a torch. This is the iron board, and this is a nice mirror that they have. So this is the basically you can close it up. There are hangers out here where you can keep your shirts and coats and all, and then you can just close this part. It's a cupboard actually which can be closed, and the room looks neat and clean. So this is all about the room. This is a deluxe room, the base category of room of this hotel. मैं अभी आप लोगों को लेके जा रही हूँ स्वीट रूम दिखाने के लिए. यहाँ के डिफरेंट 2 कैटेगरी ऑफ स्वीट रूम्स मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी. चेक द वीडियो टिल द एंड. सो दिस इज द प्रेसिडेंशियल स्वीट. थैंक यू. सो दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द रूम. This is the second best suite room that they have, where you can sit and watch the television. एक बड़ा सा TV है सामने, and there is a nice this is a nice dining area that they have. And apart from that, यहाँ पे there is a nice terrace. This is a private terrace that whoever stays in this room can use it. And यहाँ से भी how to go to the terrace. So ये है terrace का view. Now it's raining outside, so it's beautifully, you can see there's a nice, मैं नहीं तो आगे तक आप लोगों को ले जाती, but बारिश की वजह से I'm not being able to take you till there. And the terrace is quite huge. There is यहाँ पे you can sit and relax. There's chairs out there. Okay. So when there are when it is not raining, sofa वगैरह भी यहाँ पे लग जाता है, so that guests can sit and relax and have some chill time. Maybe party वाटी भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा जगह दिया गया है, so that people can even do parties and all. And then we go to the this is the study area. So this nice study area that they have. Study area में बैठ के also you can have a good view outside. There's a good view outside, and ये है study area. Then there is a couch out here. वो बैठ सकते हैं. Then there's a small tea and coffee area. So as you are working is desk में, so चाय coffee भी पी के you can work. And यहाँ से फिर मैं आप लोगों को लेके चलती हूँ bedroom. So the bedroom is right here, and it's connected. The bedroom is easily connected to towards the living room. So now let's check the bedroom. This is the bedroom. It's not very huge, but yeah, this is quite spacious and very comfortable bed. There's a couch, and let me show you the washroom. पहले तो है, this is the changing area. Changing area में locker, iron board, hangers, drawers, and say you can keep your safety belts. Locker है, फिर you can keep your, there's a mirror also. See, so ये एक अच्छा सा change area है. And from there we proceed to this is the washroom. Basically it's a beautiful washroom, a very huge washroom. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है क्योंकि the washroom itself is so huge and spacious है. The toilet area is separate. Okay, there are two toilet areas. I'll show you the other one also, but this is the toilet area for the guest who is staying in the bedroom. And these are the amenities that is required in a room. Everything is available. There's a nice bathtub with jacuzzi, and all the necessary amenities are there in the room. Then this is a rain shower, cubicle rain shower, and उसमें hand shower, rain shower सब कुछ है. So I've really loved the washroom. The washroom का जो concept रखा है ना, it's nice. It's very nice. And हाँ, it's more spacious than the bedroom, I think. It's a private terrace, so ये खोल के भी you can use your washroom. There is another washroom that they have. This is the other washroom. This is for the guest whoever comes. So एक छोटा सा washroom भी है. This is all about this suite. Now let me take you to the next suite, जो इसका सबसे higher category suite है. अभी हम वहाँ चलेंगे. चलिए मेरे साथ. Now hold your hearts to see the most beautiful suite of this hotel. ये सबसे highest category of suite है जो अभी हम लोग enter करेंगे. तो चलिए आइए देखते हैं. See how beautiful it is. इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर है. It's quite huge, spacious है. It's in a circular, मतलब एक circle जैसा है. It's not a square type of a room, it's a circular type of a room. Or the sitting area is also really done so well. Let me show you the outside view from the room. So इसको जो है अभी हम you can open the curtains and ये देखिए it's a remote control. You can use the remote to open the curtain. So आप सोफ़ा में बैठ के आराम से बाहर देख सकते हैं. डाइनिंग एरिया, एक सुंदर सा डाइनिंग एरिया है, काफ़ी बड़ा सा डाइनिंग एरिया है with a lovely decor, and from here also the view can be seen. Now to the kitchen. There is a small kitchen out here. It's not small, it's a quite huge kitchen. So this is a kitchen area. It has got a microwave, then it has got toasters, it has got the refrigerator, the coffee machine, tea kettle, and then area where people can cook. The bedroom. There are also adjoining rooms, so if somebody, guest wants to take an adjoining room, so वहाँ से they can take a adjoining room, and that's an adjustment. And this is the study area. This is a small and cozy study area that they have, with a nice painting in the back. And this is the washroom. This is the washroom for the guests. So कोई भी guest आता है तो they can use this washroom, outside washroom. And now let's go to the bedroom. यहाँ से होके this is the bedroom. This is a nice and beautiful bedroom. Nice decor, very lovely decor with a very nice bed. And lovely sitting area, small sitting area out here. That is a study area, and this is a sitting area. And from here you get the pool view. यहाँ से pool का बहुत सुंदर view आता है. You can see down. बहुत सुंदर सा pool का view आता है. And there's a big TV out here. और हम अभी washroom की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो come. Firstly, let me show you their changing area. There's a small changing area where you can change, and there's a locker. There's a locker out here, and then there's the this is a small changing space, and storage के लिए भी जगह है. Apart from that, this is the washroom. This is a beautiful washroom that they have, and just have a look. This is a quite a big jacuzzi. And this is the shower area with the rain shower. It's a huge big rain shower that they have, and hand showers. And this is a separate toilet area. And this is a nice, beautiful a place where you can do your makeup and you can change. And this is so. Now let's see the terrace. So this is the huge terrace of this room. इसको जाने के लिए there is an adjoining room that they have. So adjoining room से होके वो terrace में जा सकते हैं. And it's a huge big space. So this is all about this room. And
if you've liked this video of mine, please do not go away without pressing the like button and share. And if you've not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe and keep watching. मिलते हैं next week with the tour of this hotel. Till then, take care and bye-bye.